Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Excel video series. So in the last class we have discussed about some other formulas. So now we are going to discuss about some other basic which should know you guys. So what you have to do? So first of all, I'm going to tell you that what is the function of this merge and center. So for example, I want that these both cells should be merged. These both cells should be merged. So what you have to do? You have to click on the merge, and this will be one cell as well. As you can see, I'm going to select this. After selecting this, I'm going to give them the borders. I'm going to write the all borders. There should be the all borders. We have going to click on this. As you can see in this way, this is merge. If you want to merge this one, you have to select these both. You have to click on the merge cell. It will be merged. Now this is the function of merge and center. And after that, for example, I'm going to write some value here, like I'm going to write the smart. As you can see, it's going outside the cell, and I want that it should not go outside the cell. It should be in the limits of the cell. So what you have to do for that, you have to click on the wrap text. Now as you can see, it's only under the text, so the height of the cell will be, the width won't be increased. So in this way you can do that. If you want to remove, you have to click on the wrap text. It will be removed, and it will go outside the cell. So in this way you can control this. You have to click on the wrap text, and if you want to merge, you have to click on the merge. It will be merged. So in this way you can do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the wrap text and the merge and center both option. These both are very useful if you are creating a database or the fees structure, or even you are doing a calculation. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.